Welcome everyone to the review class for our practitioners from the Philippines. Let's welcome for today somebody from Bulacan, Sir Mark Panlilio. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon po, Doc.
Okay. As you can see from the slide, our topic is all about the window of the sky, which is also known as window of heaven points. Okay, what is the use of window of the sky points?
It is used for disharmony between chi and body and head with chi rebelling upwards.
Okay, it's all about rebel. Okay, window of the sky points are used for the treatment of what?
Treatments for the throat disorder, goiter, scrofula, coughing, wheezing, chest depressions from rebellion of lung chi, vomiting from rebellion of stomach chi, headache and dizziness, heat, redness, swelling face or eyes, disorder of sense organ, mental or emotional in disorder.
Okay. So are you now a fan of Window of the Sky? Okay.
Yes, Doc.
Okay.
Minsan kapag may anxiety ako, yan po yung ginagamit ko.
Ginagamit mo na
Napatusok ako
pala.
sa
Ay, wow, sana.
Napatuso ko to kay Nika.
Ay, wow.
Yung ano, po, sa
Oo,
partner
kilala
ko
ko
po
si
kapag
Mika, best
nag-ano.
friend mo. Yeah.
Po.
Ano kayo? Tatlo. Tatlo, apat pa. Okay, what are the Window of the Sky points?
Sky points of the window. Lungs 3, stomach 9, large intestine 18, TB 16, bladder 10, brain 22, SJ 16, SJ 17, 216, PC1,
Walang SJ17, SI17.
SI 17.
Mm-mm. Okay. Um, what point is this? Good for sore throat, asthma, goiter, dizziness, flushed face. Regulates chi and blood, removes accumulation, relieves swelling, benefits the throat.
Stomach 9.
What about this? Cough, asthma, sore throat, sudden loss of voice, scrofula for cough.
LI 18.
Blurred vision, pain in the shoulder, elbow, arm, brightens the eyes.
SJ 16,
SI16.
SI 16.
Remember sa SI meron tayong 16 and 17. Okay.
Ah,
Next. Good for headache, nasal obstruction, sore throat, neck rigidity, pain in the shoulder and back. Window of the sky. Are you still
UB
okay?
10,
Bladder 10. Asthma, epistaxis.
UB
You know
10.
what's
Ah,
epistaxis? Nose bleeding, pain in the side of the upper arm.
lungs 3.
Okay, can you show us how to locate it easily? Kunwari, amuyin mo siya. Kung saan
Wag,
yung nose.
pagkatapat ng ilong mo, saan
Yes.
yung nose mo, doon po yung ano.
Wow. Next, good for deafness, tinnitus, sore throat, swelling in the cheek, sensation of foreign body in the throat, and also goiter.
Ang panggoiter pa nag-uusapan, SI 17.
Good. Okay, good for headache, neck rigidity, facial swelling, blurred vision, sudden deafness.
SJ 16.
Yes, ito yung Sanxiao 16. Asthma, cough, sore throat, dry throat, hiccup, sudden hoarseness of voice, biglang namaos, difficulty in swallowing, goiter. Mm,
RAN 22.
yes. Headache, neck rigidity, blurred vision, epistaxis, sore throat, post, apoplexy, aphasia, yung mga na-stroke, hindi na makasalita, hemiplegia,
Yes.
mental disorders.
Do 16.
Yes. Suffocating sensation in the chest, pain in hypochondrium, swelling, and pain in the axillary region.
PC1.
Okay. Ano yung window of the sky point for the run?
RAN 22.
Window of the sky point for do.
Do 16.
Window of the sky point for the lung.
Lung 3.
Yeah. For the stomach.
For the stomach, is stomach 9.
Yes. Na-try mo na siya. Hanapin mo
Yes,
yung
Doc.
Pseudomaster naka-level dito. Me, yeah, before the sternum. For the UB, for bladder, ano yung window of the sky point?
When the sky pulse for the bladders is 10.
Yes. For the small intestine, dalawa.
Small intestine 16 to 17.
For the PC, pericardium.
Pericardium is 1.
For the SJ, Sanjiao.
Sanchow 16.
Which two window of the sky points are not on the neck?
Pag natin is lungs 3 and PC 1.
Galing. Which channel has two window of the sky points? Which channel has two window of the sky points? Same channel.
Uh, Small intestine.
Yes. Name the window of the sky point for LI.
Um, S,
LI. Mm. Hello.
pag LI 8.
18.
LI 8 daw.
18.
18
8
pala,
doc,
sorry,
8.
18. Is
18.
18. Alam, mali. Sorry. Uy, ano, this is what I
18.
we commit mistakes, we're only human. Thank you, Mom Tricks. 18.
18.
This is wrong,
18.
ha? Sorry. This should be 18. Sorry.
18.
Which two window of the sky points treat sudden loss of voice? Biglang nawala yung voice sa kakakanta.
LI 18 and
Ah,
SI 16.
so remember that. LI 18 and SI 16. Hindi LI 8, ha? Okay. Which two window of the sky points treat rebellious lung, stomach, and liver chi?
216 and stomach 9.
Wow. True or false? Window of the sky points can treat sense organ disorders.
Kapag true, pag disorder.
Which five WOS points treat headache?
Pag masakit ang ulo is PC1, SI 16, stomach 9 to 16, and TB 16.
Ginamit mo na yan? Wala nang tingin-tingin sa dila. Actually, sa totoo lang ha, when you have headache, patients with headache, priority talaga nila yung headache, di ba? So, but it doesn't harm naman if you have to treat also the cause, the root cause. Which WOS points help with inability to speak?
SI 16, LI 18, and 216.
Okay. All of the WOS points have an effect on what?
In the throat,
Yes. So yon, huh? Which WOS points help with mania?
UB10, SI 16 to 16.
Window of the sky points are mostly located in which areas of the body?
Head and neck.
What is the reason for window of the sky points? Why do we use them?
Uh, it will be used for improve the energy between the head and the body.
Okay. Um, okay. Ito yung name ng mga points. So we will not discuss the Chinese name, but okay, this is what it means in English. Heavenly window is what point?
SI 16,
What is it used for? Loss of voice.
loss of voice, doc, loss of voice.
Heavenly appearance.
Pag appearance is SI 17.
Heavenly pillar.
Pag pillar, bladder 10.
Heavenly pond or heavenly spring.
PC2 and PC1.
Heavenly palace.
Pag palas, lungs 3.
Ganyan pala yung heavenly, no? Ganun mo lang.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Support and rush out.
LI 18,
People welcome.
stomach 9.
Heaven rushing out.
CB 22.
Wind palace.
GB 16.
Window of the sky points balance. Blank to and from the head.
From the head is yang.
Young. Extreme thirst, nosebleed, bloody urine. What point?
Pag nosebleed, lungs 3.
Yes. Inability to speak or aphasia, energy obstruction, result of stroke.
LI 18.
Headache, difficulty breathing, general chest fullness.
Stomach 9.
Muscular contraction or spasm, vertigo.
Vertigo spasms. UB 10.
Loss of visual clarity, sudden deafness, biglang nabingi.
SJ 16.
Yes. Six window of sky points on the neck. What are they?
CB 22. SI 17. SI 16. SJ 16. LI 18. Stomach 9.
Wow. The two Yangbing channel window of the sky points. I think you know what's
Uh,
Yangbing, no?
yes po.
Okay.
The two channels is LI 18 and stomach 9.
Yes. The two Taiyang Han channel window of sky points.
Tayangan is SI 17, SI 16.
Okay. Two window of the sky points on Han Shaoyang and Ran Mai.
SJ 16, CB 22.
Two window of the sky points on the occiput dito.
Sa likod, no? GB 16 and bladder 10.
Two window of sky points on eight extra vessels, eight extraordinary
Uh,
vessels.
8 pesos. GB 16 and CB 22.
Three window of the sky points on Taiyang channels.
SA 17, SA 16, and bladder 10.
Wow. Two window of sky points on upper body and limbs.
Pag lips pa nag-uusapan is lungs 3 and PC1.
Wow. Three window of sky points aligned on the mid-anterior neck. Actually, nakahilera sila. Okay.
Oo nga, no? LI 18, SI 16, stomach 9.
Alin yung pinaka-front? Stomach 9, di ba?
Stomach 9 po.
Two window of the sky points aligned on the upper lateral neck.
Pag upper layer is SA 16, SI 7.
Alternate window of the sky point on foot Shaoyang.
Pag put siya yung pinag-usapan is GB 9.
Name 10 window of the sky plus one alternate.
Bladder 10, GB 16, CB 22. SI 16, LI 18, stomach 9. SJ 16, SI 17, GB 9. PC 1 and lungs 3.
Window of the sky points, general functions.
It is move gene to upper body, move yang to lower body. The second is descending chi to and from the head, regulate ascending po.
Indications for window of the sky. Di ba naulit na to?
Ah, Oo. Cough and wheezing from reverse lungs chi, vomiting from reverse stomach chi, head, headache, dizziness, head red face, swollen eyes or face, Gorgeous scrofula, throat disorder, Sanders onset disorder, emotional disturbance disorder, sense organ disorder.
Okay. Okay, anong point? Rebellious lung chi, rebellious stomach chi, rebellious liver chi. Puro rebellious.
Rebellious siya, no? Stomach na yung window of the sky.
Rebellious lung chi lang, cough and wheeze.
Uh, LI 18, window of sky.
Rebellious liver chi, headache, dizziness.
Bladder 10, window of sky. Sanjiao 16, window of sky.
Rebellious lung chi, cough, wheezing, breathlessness.
Pwede makahinga. Lungs 3, window of sky.
Wow. Nagamit mo na yan, yung point.
Kay Nika po, nakikita ko po.
Okay. Rebellious lung chi, rebellious stomach chi.
Run 22, Doc.
Rebellious liver chi.
SA
Nagkaroon
16,
ng headache. No? Rebellious
apo.
lung chi, cough, wheezing, breathlessness, rebellious stomach chi, vomiting.
SA 17 po, Doc.
Rebellious lung chi, breathlessness, rebellious stomach chi, vomiting, rebellious liver chi, headache, dizziness, headwind.
Pinag-uusapan yung stomach, lungs, and liver po is GB 16 po, Doc.
Okay. Rebellious lung chi, cough, fullness of chest, breathlessness, rebellious liver chi, headache.
PC1, Doc.
Lack of sufficient rapport, unfocused E of the practitioner, poor point location will not affect the treatment.
False yan, Doc.
False. Kailangan talaga accurate yung location, point location. Windows of the sky points can enhance the connection between the person and heaven.
True.
It's customary to initiate treatment with windows of the sky point. Ibig sabihin, you always start needling using this window of the sky. True or false?
Hindi ito eh. False.
False. Deep needling stomach 9 may puncture which artery?
Delikado to. Ito yung carotid artery.
Okay. So yan yung risk, no? Dapat hindi
Yes,
deep.
Doc.
Window of the sky points are commonly combined with back shoe points. True or false?
False.
Bakit false?
False is, this is the Yuan source points, Doc.
Okay, so we combine window of the sky with Yuan source point, no? Mm. I think you're familiar with the Yuan source points. Hindi bakshu. Okay. What are two potential adverse reactions to window of the sky points?
Uh, the patient is becoming manic or lowering patient's mood po, Doc. Nagbabagong mood.
Okay, multiple choice. Which point is not a window of the sky point?
Um, Letter B.
Okay. If a patient has adverse reaction to a window of the sky treatment, ano dapat gawin?
Um, Source point on channels treated, Doc.
Okay. So we use the yan source. Kung meron siyang adverse reaction, ibig sabihin para siyang naging manic or medyo nawalan ng mood, no? So you use the yuan source point on the channels instead. Number 80, the window of the sky points govern our connections to other people and the world of the 10,000 things.
False, Doc.
Yes. Above the trachea, anong point?
Pag trachea po, Doc, is 122.
At the larynx, ano yung tatlong
Pag
points?
LA 18, SA 16, and stomach 9.
Nape of the neck,
Um, UV 10
back of the head,
to 16.
nipple,
PC 1.
biceps medial,
Lungs 3.
but window of the sky points, other applications.
Um, These points are viewed as ways to look at the higher source to provide guidance to open up heaven influence. These points open up this higher plane. These points can summon chi so as person to connect with chi of heaven again. These points balance yin and yang of the body are used when the yang rises and the yin declines, separating the two cores. This can be viewed as excess above and deficiency below. Most of the points are the neck and influence the divergence meridians and their capacity to regulate yin and yang.
Okay. They can also provide ways to look into a higher source to provide guidance. So it's more on spiritual. Uh,
Yes, Doc.
do you promise to attend the first webinar ng PAI on December 1? Yung mga gusto mag-commit ng suicide. Okay ba sa inyo? Mag-a-attend kayo? Si Sister Rosa siya,
Yes, Doc.
PR lecturer. We will let you know about the time. We'll finalize with Ma'am Letty. Okay, sudden loss of voice, somnolence, sadness, nosebleed, short-sightedness.
Lungs 3.
Sudden turmoil disorder, visual dizziness.
Visual dizziness po is stomach 9.
Sudden loss of voice dahil sa wind stroke, manic depression, confused dreaming, deafness, tinnitus.
SI 16.
Tinnitus and deafness.
SI 17.
Epilepsy, mania, incessant talking, eye pain, redness, rhinitis.
UV 10.
Sudden deafness.
SJ 16.
Sudden inability to speak following wind stroke, mania, desire to commit suicide, fear and fright, flaccid tongue with inability to speak.
Do 16.
Okay, yung mga gustong mag-ano ha,
Suicide.
sudden dyspnea, inability to speak.
Brand 22.
Window of the sky points have an effect on disorders that occur suddenly. Which of the following sky points have an effect on sudden inability to speak?
LA 216 and SI 16 po.
Okay, just read on, huh? So SI-16, very effective. Window of the sky points have an effect on emotional disorders. Which of the following sky points have an effect on mania?
Pag mania is do 16, SI 16 bladder 10, do 16 trismania, incest talk, mad walking, desires to commit suicide, sadness and pride palpitations.
Okay, so tusukin na para hindi na mag-commit. Window of
Kakamatay.
yung nga. Window of the sky point have an effect on sense organ. Which of the following sky points treat eye symptoms?
SJ 16, do 16 and bladder 10.
Window of the sky points have an effect on rebellious chi of the stomach or lungs. Which of the following sky points treat vomiting?
Pag vomiting po is do 16, SI 17 and stomach 9.
Window of the sky points have an effect on emotional disorders. Which of the following sky points have an effect on seeing or talking with ghosts?
Ay, tayo nito. Bladder 10, lungs 3, and SI 16.
Well, thank you very much, Sir Mark. Congratulations. I think you have mastered all the window of the sky points. Maraming salamat. Thank you.